Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a library and an event so media stays organized. This prevents clutter later. Then set the project frame rate and resolution to match your footage to avoid retiming issues. Import clips directly from Finder or use File Import and immediately apply keywords to sort by scene, take, or camera. Once done, skim footage in the browser and mark selects with I and O to speed assembly. Make sure to save a backup library before heavy edits. You build the rough cut by dragging marked selects onto the magnetic timeline. This keeps clips snapping into place and prevents gaps. Use connected clips for B-roll and titles so they stick to the main storyline. Convert complex sections to compound clips for focus tweaks. For audio, assign roles and use roll lanes to isolate dialogue, SFX, and music. When refining, switch between ripple, roll, slip, and slide edits to adjust timing without losing sync. Remember to toggle snapping for frame-accurate placement. You finalize picture first. Apply primary color correction, then secondary fixes and subtle LUTs to unify shots. This prevents later rework. Next, balance audio using rolls and apply compressors and limiters so dialogue sits above music. Check LUFS for platform specs. Once satisfied, use share presets for your delivery format and run a short 10-30-second test export to confirm settings and sync. If exports fail, clear render files and restart Final Cut Pro. Re-render the troubled segment and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.